Hey guys, welcome back to Making Frugal Fun. Today we're going to do a grocery haul. A lot of people are wondering, can you still have a tight frugal budget anymore with the price of eggs and everything else the way it is right now? So I wanted to try and cook through my Frugal Meal Planner with you guys and grocery shop and try to do a grocery haul. The very first most essential tip for saving money at the grocery store is to get your list. Usually I make it on Kroger's website and then print it off, but my printer's not working, so I've got it handwritten here. And I also checked my pantry against the list before I left, and we have a meal plan, making sure I'm not buying a bunch of duplicates, and I have the meals planned out for the week. So let's go. Okay, so we spent $165.94 this week. I'm pretty happy with that because that included a 60 pack of eggs, which is $20. And also quite a few spring break snacks because it's spring break this week. Feeling pretty good. Last week I spent, I think, $135. We were out of quite a few things this week too. So, and I also got Dawn Power Wash, some things that I normally wouldn't get. So I think I'm pretty happy with that, but I'm gonna take everything home and do a grocery haul and show you guys what we got. I'm just gonna multitask and film while I'm putting away. And yes, I know we're not using reusable bags, but we use these for the dog. When we take him on walks to pick up his, so we do use them. A few things we normally wouldn't get when we're going to Kroger. Cosmic brownies, those are special occasion. It is spring break this coming week. Well, technically it's spring break today because they have today off and all next week. So they requested cosmic brownies, except for my son, my oldest son, because we're Catholic and he gave up sweets for Lent, and so did I. These were on sale. Snacks for spring break for the little kids, I guess. Milk, of course. Ground turkey. This is what my husband eats for lunch every day. Ground turkey and a sweet potato. We just make it in bulk and put it in meal prep containers at the beginning of the week. Frozen pancakes. I need to get back to making pancakes and waffles from scratch because we go through a ton of them. My kids eat pancakes or waffles pretty much every day before school. It's quick, easy, and then they're on their way. Except for my oldest, he usually has smoothies. So he loves mangoes. We do mango smoothies lately. Grapes were on digital deals. So were strawberries, but none of the strawberries looked sweet. They looked sour and white. So I didn't get any strawberries, but I got grapes and bananas, always. Special spring break requests, club crackers. Pringles were digital deal. They were $1.50 each. My daughter is obsessed with the Annie's mac and cheese. Sometimes it's on sale for 99 cents a box, which is great. It was not this week. I got this one, which is 89 cents, the Kroger brand, to see if she can try it and if she likes it. So that would save a lot of money, but we'll see. We needed peanut butter. Beans are for one of the meals. So we're doing week one, quarter one of the Frugal Meal Planner this week, which is beef and bean skillet, ranch chicken, and barbecue pork tacos. So those are the 3 dinners we're making this week. Tuna for lunch. I like to eat tuna with avocado for lunch. We had some avocados, so I did not get any more of those. The $20 pack of 60 eggs. Eggs are just expensive right now. That's just kind of how it is. But I've considered getting my own chickens, but I don't think we can have them in our HOA. But I did get cottage cheese to try to mix in with my eggs to stretch them a little bit. My husband eats 6 eggs every morning for breakfast. And I was doing that too as a brunch because I usually try and just wait and eat lunch as my first meal. And I was eating a lot of eggs too. But I'm going to try to stretch them with cottage cheese, mix it in together, still get all the protein, but not so expensive. Dan wanted pickles, apple cider vinegar. I needed for a recipe and I was out. Mayo, not something we have to get every week, but we were out. Jelly, again, not something we usually need to get every week. Cheese, beef for our beef and bean skillet. We usually go through one of these family size chocolate chip waffles every single week. My kids eat a ton of waffles. They eat them for snack with peanut butter on them. They eat them for breakfast with Nutella or peanut butter on them. So yeah, they eat a ton of them. And I usually take them out so they'll fit better in the freezer. Dan's sweet potatoes for his lunch. I got some more apples. We had a few. Bell peppers, cottage cheese, turkey, cheese sticks for the kids. Spring break week, peanut butter and jellies, turkey sandwiches, yogurt, applesauce, fruit, chips. That's lunch. Always gotta have Tyson chicken nuggets on hand because if they don't eat what we're cooking for dinner or they're hungry for like a quick snack or and like extra food, chicken nuggets. These were digital deal this week too. They were only $4.99. Normally on Friday nights, it's Lent right now. Normally Friday nights during Lent, we would just do like frozen cheese pizza because we can't eat meat. We're gonna go to the fish fry at the church tonight, so that will be dinner. And then this week I'll cook Saturday, Monday, and Wednesday, which will be perfect because Thursday is like a super busy night, so we'll have leftovers. Tuesday's pretty busy too, actually, for like sports nights. So with my Frugal Meal Planner, you can like arrange the days that you're cooking however it works best for your family. And then I have a flex day. 2 loaves of bread because we're gonna eat a lot of sandwiches this week. For the pork tacos, pork is pretty cheap, so that's nice. We always get the giant carton of goldfish. One, because the kids have to bring a dry snack to school every single day. So my son always takes these, and the other 2 older kids usually just take pretzels. For spring break, this probably won't even last us like the whole week. But we'll see, hopefully. Almost done. Kroger pretzels and Kroger potato chips. Here's the rest of the Pringles that I got. I got 2 things since they were on digital deal. Blueberries were on sale. We had some, so I just got 1 container. Usually when they're on sale, I like stock up, but got some Dawn Power Wash. I am addicted to this for cleaning. Ice cream sandwiches for the kids, and Danimals are on a digital deal this week at Kroger too. So I got some of those, even though we already had some, but they were on sale. So that's everything. Make sure you subscribe so you can see next week's grocery haul, and let me know what else you want to see on the channel. If you want to check out my Frugal Meal Planner, I will link it in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.